Trump's pick of Yale grad Judge Brett Kavanaugh for the Supreme Court is dividing people nationally and locally tonight. Kavanaugh is a conservative, setting up a possible tilt in the high court.
People for and against Kavanaugh's nomination showed up at the New Haven courthouse. News 8's Amy Hudak is live in New Haven with that story. Amy.
Judge Kavanaugh is really a product of New Haven. He went to Yale undergrad as well as Yale Law School, where he's still a mentor to many and visits quite often. But regardless of what side of the political spectrum you fall on, people feel very strongly one way or another about his nomination.
We are committed to fighting like hell for women and for the people who are depending on us.
Dozens of activists took to the steps of the New Haven courthouse, opposing the president's pick of Judge Brett Kavanaugh to fill a Supreme Court seat left vacant with the retirement of Justice Anthony Kennedy.
I was overwhelmed with emotion. I sobbed.
Pro-choice women concerned about what this means for the fate of Roe versus Wade, and unclear about where Judge Kavanaugh stands on the issue of same-sex marriage.
He's not someone who's going to provide balance to the Supreme Court.
I am deeply concerned about moving forward and what's going to happen to some of the fundamental rights that we've fought for.
We're really in a pretty good spot in Connecticut, but that's not true of all of our brothers and sisters.
But on those same courthouse steps,
do you support birth control for women so they don't have to get aborted?
Free choice for women in the womb as well.
counter-protesters showing up and making their voices heard.
We are the pro-life generation, and we will abolish abortion!
Pleased about the president's pick and now hoping for a confirmation.
Hopefully they'll reverse Roe versus Wade, which is it's archaic, insane, murderous ruling.
All eyes now looking ahead to see if there will be an upset in the balance of power in the Supreme Court. Judge Kavanaugh is highly regarded by many at Yale for his work and as being a friend to many in the community, but he's also very polarizing to many, even within the law school where he graduated from, especially the Division for Reproductive Rights. Live in New Haven, Amy Hudak, News 8.